Off. What are we doing here today?
We're not filming me.
What are we doing today?
Push-ups.
We're doing push-ups. This is fucking part 17 of the $5,000 trailer job. We robbed
$5,000.
We robbed $5,000 worth of bed frames from your local orphanage, and we are now putting them on Tommy's trailer. He used to live in this trailer, by the way. About last year, he used to live in the trailer. He decided to turn it into a utility trailer. So we ripped all the wood off, and if this trailer could tell stories, to be a fly on the wall on that thing at some point, I could only imagine. But I'm welding cast bed frame to regular bed frame. Don't tell DOT what's going on around here, because Jesus Christ, around the DEA you'd be here. Anybody knew what was really going on. And we got our employee of the month in here.
I'm preparing a beautiful fire for the blowjob scene.
Nice, nice, nice. I'm not so sure what you mean about the blowjob scene, but I'm going to end this here because I'm scared and I think I might want to leave.